Do you want to know how you can back up your chat settings on your Telegram using your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can back up your chat settings on your Telegram using your PC. Go ahead and open Telegram on your computer or your browser after you scan your code and then log into your account. Now click on the three dots or three lines over here and then go to settings. After you click on settings, go to data and storage. You can see that there is an option called auto download media. Go ahead and enable it and then you're all done. This is how you back up your chats, and you can go to privacy and storage. You can scroll a bit down and you can see that there is option of chats over here, so you can see that your chat has already been filled, and you can also delete your cloud draft from here. So this is how you back up your chat using your Telegram web or Telegram PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.